How to schedule Instagram Reels. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom and then head over to Reel. From your gallery, select a Reel video that you want to schedule. Let me tap on this one. Let's say this is the video that you want to schedule. Now tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now scroll all the way down and head over to advanced settings. It will redirect you to this page. Well, in this page you should see the option of schedule. But if you don't see that option, it's because your account is set to personal account. So in order to have the schedule feature, all you want to do is switch from your personal account to professional account. And then you will see the option of schedule. You simply need to tap on that feature and set the time and date. And that's how you schedule your Instagram Reels. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to schedule Instagram Reels. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.